What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Storj. As you guys can see, it has pumped up quite a bit. You guys can probably tell by the huge green candlestick here. It has pumped up over 40% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at 63 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to pump higher? Is it going to head towards the $1 mark anytime soon? Or is it going to crash back down in value? So we are going to look at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and especially going into 2024. Is Storj a must-have crypto in your portfolio? And if so, when is the best time to invest into it? And also, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or if you're on a profit, is it the right time to sell it and take out your profits, or should you hold on to it? That's also what we're going to be going through in today's video as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Storj, which is here in purple at 44 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at nearly 63 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, as expected, we got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction. However, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep heading upwards is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that is going to keep pumping that way at that pace, so on and so on. However, that is not my prediction. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Storj to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value, potentially dropping down to around 56 to 58 cents is where I'm expecting Storj to be trading at towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So yes, it doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping right now and straight away going to start dropping in value. No, guys, it is likely to pump up higher than where it is the moment over the coming hours, potentially hitting about 66-67 cents before it slowly starts to drop back down later on this afternoon, down to about 56 to 57 cents towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, exact same, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So once again, this is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, I am expecting Storj to have once again gone for an overall drop in value. Only reason is I'm expecting it to keep dropping in value over the coming hours and days as well is because it is overvalued right now, and it's pumped up so much in a space of in a short amount of time. So yeah, it's only right that it drops back down in value. So by mid next week, Storj should essentially be trading around the 47 cents target. Somewhere around there is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So yes, guys, do expect more drops in value in the coming days for Storj. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. It just means it is going to slowly and steadily drop in value, but we are likely to see the odd green day in between here and there. But unfortunately, guys, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again, guys, we've got the blue line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, and so is the orange line as well. However, this is not realistic because they are looking way too steep due to this huge green candlestick here. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late December 2023, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Storj, potentially heading to around 70 cents is what I'm expecting Storj to be trading at by the end of the year. But again, That is only if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side, which I am expecting it to do so, including Bitcoin. I'm expecting it to hit around $40,000 by the very end of the year, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. But if there are any changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a crash or a pump or a bull run, anything that can have a potential positive or negative impact on the value of the crypto market, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So guys, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone right now, and we've got quite a long way to head up to the green target, green zone even. We need to hit 98 cents in target to go past this resistance target, which I am not expecting from Storj this year. However, early next year, guys, I'm expecting Storj to be hitting the dollar mark, which means it is likely to head into the green zone depending on how the crypto market performs. If you guys want regular updates on Storj, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. But yeah, let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up crazy numbers, 900% up, guys, making it $279 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading, as it is one of the top gainers, or the top gainer even. So if I go into the Binance website, yeah, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, meaning it is getting a lot of attention around it, a lot of hype, meaning more and more investors, as well as more sellers taking out their profits. So for those of you wondering, is now the time to buy or sell? Personally, it is not the buy to sell. It is not time to buy it. As I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to drop down in value over the coming hours and days as well. And again, my buying price for Storj would be anywhere below 22 cents. So yeah, right now it is way overvalued. And yes, I know I'm not expecting Storj to drop below 22 cents anytime soon, but if I really wanted to get into it and make a decent amount of profit, I would not buy it above 22 cents is what I'm trying to say. However, if you guys have different predictions, or you guys are short-term traders, then of course you can buy and sell in between. But I'm not a short-term trader, I am a long-term investor, meaning yeah, above 22 cents is a no from me. And if you are looking to sell it, is not the right time to sell it? Yes, but not all of it. If, for example, if you had $1,000, I would probably sell about $400 worth and take out my profit. And again, I would only sell now if I'm on a profit. I wouldn't just sell it because I'm not on a profit. So I would take out 40%, take out the profit, and keep 60% in there. And potentially, once it pumps in over the next 4 to 5 weeks, guys, I'll take out another about 30-35%, which leaves me with another about 25% left, which I'll keep for the long term and potentially sell it if it does manage to head above the $1 mark in the future. At least I've taken out some profits, and I still got some investment in Storj as well. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.